So in today's video, we're going to look at the ceiling function. So the ceiling function is a little bit like round or round up function. So this allows you to essentially find the nearest number above the number that you're looking for to a certain specificity. So what that means is, let's just do the formula to start. So it is ceiling, and you will see it here. And then I'm going to do number and then the significance. So for this one, I'm just going to do 1. So when we do this, this is essentially saying go to the nearest, when I do comma 1, go to the nearest whole number. So that's why 0.23 is going to 1. Now, if I go to 0.1, I can say round up to the nearest 0.1, or even if I wanted to do 0.01, this would then take me to the next 0.01 value. So let's leave that as 0.1. What's nice about this, so both of these functions are very similar to what you'd find in the round function. So round, here I have round, you can do to the number of digits that you want. So they call this num digits. And here I've got 0, so essentially it's saying go to the next whole number. And here I've got to 1 digit, or I could do 2 digits like I did before. But that is sort of with round how it's limited. You can stop there. But what's nice about this is you can actually round up to a nearest number that you choose. So let's say you want the nearest 10. So you could put in 10, and you can see 3 and 0.23 both round up to the nearest 10. This can be nice, especially with thousands and hundreds, but even 25. So if for some reason you were doing something and you could only do it in quarters, you could round this up to the nearest 25. And then, of course, you've got hundreds, thousands. You can use any number you want, but this is nice because then you can round up to that nearest number. So here I've got the nearest 1,000. So 9,564 rounds up to 10,000. 1,074.08 rounds up to 2,000. 3,245 rounds up to 4,000. So it's a nice way to use kind of the rounding, but to a very specific number that you're looking for, as opposed to just with the round function where you can say like, yeah, round up to the nearest digit or the nearest 0 or the nearest 0.0, 0.1 or 0.01. But that's kind of it with the round function. The ceiling function gives you a lot more functionality to be able to round to a very specific number that you choose. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.